My name's Katie. I work for Gregor's for just over a year and I currently work on the service department. The thing I most enjoy is working with a great team of people. If I'm ever stuck or if I'm in a tough situation, that those people are there to help support me and get me through. They're a very flexible company, very supportive. If you're ever needing any help, they are always there for you.
My name's Ryan. I work as a procurement administrator. I've been working at Gregor Heating for 3.5 years. What I enjoy most about working at Gregor Heating is the variety of work and the friendliness of the whole team. My role here is evolving all the time, getting to do different things. It's generally a really good place to work.
My name's Michelle Rowe. I'm a part-time installations admin assistant and I've worked for Gregor Heating for 4 years. The thing I love most about working at Gregor Heating is that my job is flexible. I now work 3 days a week and I job share with my colleague. As a new-time mum, it's the best thing that I can now spend time in work and also with my son.
My name's Gary Brown. I've been in Gregor's for 11 years and my job title is Senior Contracts Manager. I enjoy most working with Gregor because I enjoy looking after a team of engineers. The engineers keep me on my toes basically. I think people like to work for Gregor's because they're a very organised company. The opportunity is there to develop yourself.
My name's Philippa Andrews. I work for the New Build department and I've been working for Gregor Heating for 8 months now. The reason people would like to work at Gregor's, I feel, is the camaraderie here. Everybody works as part of a team, even though we do work in different departments. There's always a support there, and they are a very family-orientated business.
My name is Martin Graham. I've worked at Gregor for 6 years. That includes a 4-year apprenticeship, and I work as an electrician. The best bit about my job is the variety of work that we do. We cover all green energy technologies, such as solar. We also cover small dwellings and housing plumbing, from boilers to solar thermal installs. It's a small family company. Everyone is working for everyone's sake.